How could anybody ever see me and Lucas as a couple? Everybody does.
Oh, and she comes up to my face and goes, ha her.
Okay, now why do you do that?
Because he lets me.
Oh, well, why do you let her?
I'm just like you now.
Yeah, we're exactly the same.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
And I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have found.
I finally like you.
We're close enough.
Hi.
Could I lock in your love? I feel we're close enough. Could I
Well, maybe we don't have a vote, Lucas.
Did you just call me Lucas?
I've always known your name.
Now I've got you in